Now, before you start recording, make sure you test everything. Your lighting, your cameras, your audio devices, your batteries, every single thing that you need to test, and run a test shot. So record a video, listen to the audio, know how it sounds like. Trust me, it's just going to take even if it takes you 5 minutes to do everything in your test shot, it is worth it. Rather than record a 20 minutes video and you realize that you didn't press the record button, or your audio recorder wasn't recording. In fact, let me show you something. This is how important audio is to me. As you can see, I have one microphone here. This one is connected to this computer. So everything I'm saying is going into the computer and that is recorded over there. And this is a second microphone which is going into this separate recorder. So as you can see, anytime I speak, it spikes a little. So I have two separate audio in here and one other is going into the camera. Now this is in case if one breaks down or for some reason didn't record a high quality audio, I can always switch to the other one. This is how important audio is. Unlike your lighting, which you can adjust when editing, audio is a lot difficult. When it comes to video too, make sure that you have all your camera settings dialed in correctly. Other than that, you can record an entire video and you have the video overexposed. In my case, I have started shooting in auto ISO. I used to have it in manual because the lights are not changing. I have it consistent throughout. But I realized if I have it in auto, if I'm showing something on screen, like, give me a minute, like this, the camera is going to focus on my smartphone and it is going to adjust the brightness accordingly so that it doesn't look overexposed. Now, all of these are for people with a professional camera, irrespective of whether it is a crop sensor or a full frame. Now, for those of us using smartphones, the good news is your smartphone already does everything for you. Just point it on yourself and it is going to adjust your shutter speed, it is going to adjust your lighting, it is going to adjust basically everything for you. But the important thing is to get your audio right. Now, I keep stressing on getting your audio right because if your video is bad, like I said, you can get stock footages, you can get videos from online, you can get videos from other YouTubers and incorporate that on your video. But if the audio is bad, where else are you going to get one to replace? So the advice here is to test your shot. Make sure you have everything working before you start recording your actual video.